7 breakfasts with high protein for weight loss. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Check out these 7 breakfast recipes that are not only super tasty, but also rich in protein. They are perfect for jump-starting your day and helping you reach your weight loss goals. These recipes are packed with all the good stuff your body needs to build muscles, rev up your metabolism, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. So whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, these breakfasts are customized just for you. They're super easy to prepare, bursting with flavors and guaranteed to make breakfast your favorite meal of the day. Number 1. Easy Oatmeal Recipe, 290 calories. Oatmeal is a highly nutritious and satisfying breakfast option that can support your weight loss goals. Packed with fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates, oatmeal provides a sustained release of energy, keeping you full and satisfied throughout the morning. It also contains essential vitamins and minerals, such as iron and magnesium, which are important for your overall health. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need this following ingredient: 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or any milk of your choice, 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Optional toppings: sliced fruits, nuts, or nut butter. And here are the instructions for making an easy oatmeal recipe. Number 2. Yogurt Parfait, 300 calories. A yogurt parfait is a delicious and nutritious high-protein breakfast option that can aid in your weight loss efforts. This creamy and satisfying dish combines the goodness of yogurt, fresh fruits, and crunchy toppings to provide a balanced meal that keeps you full and energized throughout the morning. Yogurt is an excellent source of protein, calcium, and probiotics, which promote gut health and support digestion. It helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied while providing essential nutrients. Fresh fruits adds natural sweetness, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants to the parfait, enhancing its nutritional value. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of mixed fresh berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, 2 tablespoons of granola or chopped nuts, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. And here are the instructions for making a yogurt parfait. Number 3. Quick Green Smoothie, 390 calories. A quick green smoothie is a nutritious and high-protein breakfast option that can support your weight loss goals. This refreshing smoothie is packed with leafy greens, fruits, and protein-rich ingredients, providing you with nutrient-dense and satisfying meal to start your day. Green smoothies are an excellent way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet, especially leafy greens like spinach or kale. These greens are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants while being low in calories. They contribute to the vibrant green color of the smoothie and offer numerous health benefits. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 1 cup of leafy greens, spinach, kale, or a mix, 1 ripe banana, 1/2 cup of frozen nuts such as berries or mango, 1 scoop of protein powder, plant-based or wheat protein, 1 cup of liquid water, almond milk, or coconut water. And here are the instructions for making a quick green smoothie. Number 4. Delicious Lemon Blueberry Pancakes, 410 calories. Delicious lemon blueberry pancakes are a delightful and high-protein breakfast option that can aid in your weight loss journey. These pancakes combine the refreshing flavors of lemon and the antioxidants-rich goodness of blueberries, all while providing a satisfying, nutritious meal to start your day. Pancakes are often considered a treat, but with the right ingredients, they can be transformed into a healthier option that supports your weight loss goals. These lemon blueberry pancakes are made with a mix of whole wheat flour, protein powder, and Greek yogurt, offering a good balance of carbohydrates, protein, and fiber. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 scoop of protein powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or any milk of your choice, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, zest 1 lemon, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 cup of fresh blueberries. And here are the instructions for making a delicious lemon blueberry pancakes. Number 5. Green omelet, 220 calories. A green omelet is a nutritious and a low-calorie breakfast option that is perfect for supporting weight loss goals. This omelet is packed with protein and vibrant green vegetables, offering a satisfying and healthy start to your day. Green vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, while also being low in calories. By incorporating them into your omelet, you can add nutritional boost without significantly increasing the calorie content. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 2 to 3 large eggs, 1 cup of chopped green vegetables, 1/4 cup of diced onions, 1/4 cup of diced bell peppers, salt and pepper to taste, cooking spray or a small amount of oil for the pan. And here are the instructions for making a green omelet. Number 6. Tofu scramble, 220 calories. Tofu scramble is a delicious and nutritious high-protein breakfast option that is perfect for weight loss. Tofu made from soybeans is a great plant-based source of protein and contains all essential amino acids. This recipe offers a flavorful and satisfying alternative to traditional scrambled eggs, while being lower in calories and cholesterol-free. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 block of firm tofu, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 cup of diced onions, 1/4 cup of diced bell peppers, 1/4 cup of diced tomatoes, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings: chopped fresh herbs, nutritional yeast, or hot sauce. Number 7. Zucchini onion omelet, 250 calories. The zucchini and onion omelet are a nutritious and satisfying high-protein breakfast option. It is perfect for weight loss. This recipe combines the goodness of eggs with zucchini and onions, providing a healthy and flavorful way to start your day. With its low-calorie content and high-protein content, these omelets help promote satiety, stabilize blood sugar levels, and support weight loss goals. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of grated zucchini, 1/4 cup of diced onions, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And here are the instructions for making a zucchini onion omelet. And that concludes our list of the 7 breakfasts with high protein for weight loss goals. Do you happen to know any high protein breakfast recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!